Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create custom call outcomes in HubSpot. Custom call outcomes are a great way to improve sales management and streamline your team's workflow. First, open HubSpot in your browser and consider bookmarking the homepage for easy access. Then log in with your HubSpot credentials to access the full suite of tools. Once logged in, go to the settings page. This is where you can tailor HubSpot to your business needs and make key customizations. Next, find the calling section within settings. This is the area where all call-related operations are managed, making it essential for tracking and reporting. Now, you can add a new custom call outcome. Give it a clear name and, if needed, edit existing outcomes to match your business requirements. Proper naming helps maintain consistency and clarity in your reports. Finally, remember that custom call outcomes make it easier to track interactions, improve communication efficiency, and keep your sales processes organized. Revisit and update these outcomes as your business needs evolve. And that's it. Now you know how to create and manage custom call outcomes in HubSpot, helping your team stay on top of every call.